How to transfer funds from Credit Karma Money to your bank. First of all, open your web browser or the Credit Karma Money app on your device. Log into your Credit Karma Money account using your registered email and password. Once you are on the main dashboard, look for the Save or Spend Account section. Next, find and select the transfer option. This will open a new screen where you can initiate a transfer. Choose the amount you want to transfer from your Credit Karma Money account to your linked external bank account. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you will be prompted to add one. Enter your bank's routing number and your account number carefully to avoid errors. After entering the amount and confirming your linked bank account, review the details and tap Submit or Transfer to complete the process. Transfers usually take 1 to 3 business days to appear in your bank account, so keep that in mind when planning your finances. Now you know how to transfer funds from Credit Karma Money to your bank. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.